Hello everybody, and look who is here with me today, my garden angel, and he has given me a halo. He wants to tell me that he is here with me to stand by me, and I would just want to sing to him. Oh angel, angel, stand by me. Whoa, stand by me. Oops, I'm supposed to sing a prayer to my guardian angel. And today, being the Feast of Guardian Angels, let us sing this very simple prayer to our guardian angels. Join me as we sing together. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom his love commits me here, every this day be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen. Let us sing this prayer to our guardian angels every day. Bye bye.